All right, so today we're going to talk about radicals and how to multiply radicals, so products of radicals. All right, so let's look at this. We have the n root of x times the n root of y is just the n root of x times y. So as long as you're multiplying and the index are the same, you can just multiply the inside of the radicand. So the index stays the same, multiply what is inside. So there's two methods. You can either multiply and then simplify your radical, or you can simplify your radical, multiply the radical, and then simplify more if necessary. Let's see an example of that. First, we have the square root of 12 times the square root of 11. Since the index is the same, we can just multiply. 12 times 11 is 132. But if we have 132, we have to simplify that. So we had to break it down into primes, which is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. We've got two groups of 2, so we're going to pull a 2 out, leaving 2 square root of 33. That's simplified. Or, same problem, and let's simplify first and then multiply. So the 12 breaks into 2 times 2 times 3, but the 11 doesn't. So the 2 times 2 times 3, there's a group of 2 that we can pull out. So now we have 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 11. So the square root of 3 times the square root of 11 is the square root of 33. So notice that we get the same answer, 2 square roots of 33, but there were two methods to get that answer. So let's try this one. The square root of 8 times the square root of 96. 8 times 96 is 768, but then we'd have to simplify that, and we would get 16 times the square root of 3. So let's say we have binomials, and we can either use the FOIL method or the box method. So when you're using radicals, you're going to use the same rules that you used for the FOIL method or the box method. So your turn. You're going to try 7.4, 2 through 6 evens. It's due in class with your notes.